Napagod. Gumala. Yan. Gumala kasi napagod gumala. She drink a lot. You drink. Why you did not wake your mama this morning? You just gone. You drink, baby. You drink. You drink. You drink now. Now I'm going to eat, mama. I put apple your food. No, she's so thirsty. I know she is so thirsty. Now she's going to throw your water. She's tired. You are tired? I know you are. You're tired. I know you are. Oh, mama. Put for me the water. Do you want the water? Try you. I know you are so tired.